What is crypto? The encrypted assets that can be stored and transferred on blockchain called crypto. Long ago, barter was the only way to trade. But there was no demand on some goods, or that goods could have rot. Then some rare goods worked the same way as money works, like salt or car vehicles, but they couldn't be used everywhere. Then valuable things like gold, silver, and diamond used as currency. But valuation got harder until they started coin hammering. But as a result, stealing and banditry increased. Next solution was gold standard printing. Exchanging with banknotes was so easy, but the problem was with political choice in governments, these banknotes' value got volatile. Then banks start to print fiat money and it caused inflation. And now cryptocurrencies have been created to provide a decentralized, transparent, non-sovereign, and without borders economic system that isn't inflationary. Soon, we'll tell you more about crypto. Produced in Rasanet Studio.